Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the interpretation of hepatitis. How can we interpret the laboratory findings of hepatitis? So first of all, you should know about some markers of hepatitis that include some antigens and antibodies. These antigens include hepatitis B, S antigen, HBE antigen, HBC antigen. S is represent for surface, E is for envelope, C is for core antigen. These are the antigens involved, and these are the antibodies. Anti-HBs surface antibody, anti-HBC antibody. This anti-HBC antibody is two type, IgM and IgG. Next we can go through how can we interpret. If there is HBsAg antigen is present, we can interpret there is a infection. It may be acute or chronic. The next anti-HBC antigen, IgM and IgG. If IgM is present, it represents it is acute infection, and IgG is present, there is chronic infection. So HBsAg is present. Suppose HBsAg is present and IgM is present, it means it is acute infection. And if suppose HBsAg plus anti-HBC IgG is present, it means chronic infection. So this represent there is a infection. This determine the chronic or acuteness of the infection. Next we can go through some cases of hepatitis laboratory findings. Okay, first you can see there is HBsAg antigen is present. So if HBsAg antigen is present, it means there is a infection. And here and all antigen is present, and there is IgM also present. No and IgG, but IgGM is present. So it is IgM is present, active infection plus it is acute. So acute infection. In this case we can interpret this is a acute infection. Okay, next case we can go through next case. HBsAg is present, it means there is an infection. So here only IgG is present. So IgG is for chronic infection. So this is a chronic infection. Next there is HBsAg antigen. There is no HBsAg. This means there is no infection, but there is all antibodies are present. It means immunity due to infection. This person got infection before, but now he has all antibody. It represents he has immunity now due to earlier infection. Next case we can go through. Next case HBsAg is no HBsAg. There is no infection, but there is only anti-HBs antibody. It means, and also there is no IgM and IgG. This means this person got immunity through vaccination. If the person got immunity due to vaccination, it means there is only anti-HBs is present. Next case we can go through. Next case there is only HBsAg antigen only present. It means this antigen only present means this is a resolved infection or low level chronic infection or false positive. So on the basis of these findings we can interpret hepatitis. So today we discuss about the serological markers of hepatitis, and also we discuss about several conditions. How can we determine acuteness, chronic infection, immunity due to infection, vaccination, etc. So hope you all understand this topic. So thank you very much for watching this video.